Welcome to the Sketchok Drawing Guide. Today, we're going to create this awesome drawing of Chainsaw Man, just like the one you see on your left. Get your pencils ready, and let's have some fun. Start simple. Grab your pencil and draw a stick figure to capture Chainsaw Man's dynamic pose. Use basic shapes to outline his body structure and chainsaws protruding from his hands and head. Head first. Time to give our Chainsaw Man a face. Sketch the overall form and those fierce, sharp teeth. Don't worry about the chainsaw blade just yet. We'll get to that soon. Dress the part. Draw the collar and tie, shaping the shirt that drapes over his upper body. Remember, it's all about the attitude. With chainsaws for hands, we'll only see 3 fingers on each hand. Sketch them in, keeping the middle of the hands clear for those deadly blades. Let's get those pants outlined. Show some movement with creases and folds. We're not ironing today. We're drawing. Sneak in the sneakers. It's time for his kicks. Sketch out those sneakers, and let's keep it casual. Teeth time. Now for the gnarly part. The sharp teeth of the chainsaw on his head and hands. Remember the pattern: small tooth, big tooth, and repeat. Time for details. Add the inner lines for the chains, the neck details, and don't forget those little things like buttons, pockets, and of course, the shoelaces. Finishing touch. Step back and admire your work. You've just drawn Chainsaw Man. And there you have it. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, and follow our channel for more cool drawing guides. For thousands of other step-by-step tutorials in image format that might be easier to follow, check out sketchok.com. Keep drawing, and see you next time.